The Cummins NV4500 is a heavy-duty, 6-speed manual transmission that is found in a variety of pickup trucks and commercial vehicles. It is known for its durability and reliability. When it comes to clutches for the NV4500, there are a number of different options to choose from. Here are 10 of the best clutches for the NV4500. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect clutch for Cummins NV4500 for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the South Bend Clutch G56 OFEK. If you're looking for a clutch to handle your Cummins diesel engine's power, the G56 OFEK Stage 2 clutch is a great option. It can handle up to 475 horsepower and 1,000 pounds-foot of torque, making it perfect for those with aftermarket performance upgrades. However, it's important to note that this clutch is not meant for stock applications. It's best suited for those who want extra power and better towing power. It also comes with a flywheel, throw-out bearing, and other essential mounting hardware, making installation a breeze. So if you're looking for a clutch that can handle your Cummins diesel engine's power, the G56 OFEK Stage 2 clutch is a great option. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the South Bend Clutch G56 OKHD Clutch Kit. The South Bend Clutch G56 OFEK is a great choice for your next clutch replacement. It can be used with or without the flywheel, and the Kevlar organic disc comes with a full-face, sprung hub style with a pressure plate-style diaphragm. The input spline quantity is 10, making it a perfect fit for your vehicle. At number 3 on our list, we have the Valair NMU70G56TRIPLE Northwest Cummins triple disc ceramic clutch. The Valair NMU70G56TRIPLE Northwest triple disc ceramic clutch is a top-of-the-line option for those looking for a performance upgrade. It's a 12-inch disc with a 1.375-inch input shaft and is built for street use with SFI certification. It features steel roller bearings, floater plates, and a steel billet flywheel and is highly recommended for competition use. It's a non-stocking item that is built to order, so make sure you have enough time to wait for it if you decide to go with this option. It's also one of the more expensive triple clutches on the market, but it's worth the investment for those who need the fastest controls possible. At number 4 on our list, we have the Valair NMU70G56TRIPLE Cummins dual disc clutch for G56. This type of dual disc clutch ceramic model is suited for 2005 to 2016 applications. It can provide up to 800 horsepower performance, which is best for heavy-duty towing jobs. It comes with a 13-inch disc and an input shaft diameter of 1.375 inches, a lever-type pressure plate. Furthermore, it can reach up to 10 for its input spline quantity and other mounting components. For those looking for a dual disc clutch that can handle high-performance towing or will be used for competitions, the Valair NMU70G5601 is highly recommended, but you should expect to pay twice as much than usual for it. At number 5 on our list, we have the South Bend Clutch SDD3256 Clutch Kit. This South Bend Clutch Kit provides high performance with 650 horsepower and 1,300 pounds-foot torque with a towing capacity of 30 kg. This is a Stage 4 powerful clutch kit, but not suitable for stock trucks or competitions. It can be used for Dodge Ram model years from 2000-2005. Expect some noise and slow shifts, but with the right amount of throttle, it can deliver the kind of power that you need. At number 6 on our list, we have the Luk 05-108. If you are looking for the best entry-level clutch kits from Luk, you should check out the Luk 05-108. It is a product of innovative engineering. High manufacturing standards regulate its manufacturing. As such, you can expect awesome performance from this clutch. Each component is designed for fluid and flawless performance. The Luk 05-108 is indeed compatible with any Dodge Cummins truck up to 2001 models. This clutch is also an excellent option for truck owners who want a replacement for their old clutch. It is compliant with OEM standards and fits perfectly well with the Dodge Cummins. Moreover, this kit comes with every component you would need for a quick installation. Hence, you won't be shelling out extra money for any additional accessories when you opt for this clutch. At number 7 on our list, we have the Luk Clutch Kit Fits by EFORTISSIMO Racing. If you're looking for a clutch kit made by a leading American company, then check out the Luk Clutch Kit Fits by EFORTISSIMO Racing. This company boasts of more than 40 years of innovating its designs of clutch kits. This model is designed for 6-speed trucks, but you can use it for your Dodge Cummins. This clutch kit offers an excellent performance you would surely appreciate. This clutch kit, of course, despite being excellent, is pretty much reasonably priced. Moreover, the complete kit is relatively easy to install, and you won't need to shell extra money for its installation. At number 8 on our list, we have the Eft HD Clutch. If you're looking for a clutch kit produced by a leading manufacturer, you should check the Eft HD Clutch. This clutch kit can provide excellent performance. Moreover, it is not within the affordable range. This clutch kit is compatible even with models as old as 2005 and 1014. Besides, it is designed to outperform itself in whatever situation. The Eft HD Clutch is compliant with OEM specifications standards, and for this reason, it will give your Dodge Cummins the extra boost it requires. Moreover, it is easy to install. Nevertheless, you may get frustrated because the kit doesn't come with the flywheel. So, you may be required to order one. At number 9 on our list, we have the Stage 2 Clutch Kit. Wanting to upgrade or replace your older clutch? Well, I think you should check out the Stage 2 Clutch Kit. This clutch kit would fit your Dodge Cummins. It is designed for old models, even those models from 1994 to 1997. It also provides your truck an incredible performance. Produced by EFORTISSIMO, the Stage 2 Clutch Kit also offers excellent online technical support. Its components will surely provide enhanced torque output, reliable durability, improved efficiency for your vehicle. It may be costlier than other options, but the extra money you will spend on it will be worth spending. And finally, at number 10 on our list, we have the Centerforce DF193890 dual friction clutch pressure plate. There is no question that a clutch is an important part of any car. It is what allows you to smoothly change gears and keep the car moving. If your clutch isn't working properly, then you're in for a lot of problems. That's why it's important to find a clutch that is engineered to perform. Centerforce is a company that has been making clutches for over 25 years. They have a ton of experience when it comes to automotive performance clutches. And they use that experience to create the best clutch and flywheel package for your application. Some of the processes that Centerforce uses include the famous weight system, dual friction discs, and ball bearing actuated pressure plates. Each application is developed to provide you with the right amount of clamp load, friction, durability and ease of use. So if you're looking for a clutch that is going to perform well, then you should definitely consider a Centerforce clutch. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.